Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card chargebacks evidence in bank apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your banking app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the transaction history section. Locate the chargeback transaction you wish to back up. Select the transaction to view its details. Take a screenshot of the transaction details. Ensure that the screenshot captures all necessary information. Check the date, amount, and merchant name for accuracy. If possible, download any associated documents provided by the bank. Look for an option to export or save the transaction details as a PDF. If available, use the export feature and select your preferred file format. Store the saved documents in a designated folder on your device. Consider organizing the folder by dates or types of transactions. Back up the folder to a cloud storage service for added security. Verify that the cloud backup is complete and accessible. For added protection, consider making physical copies if necessary. Regularly update your backup to include new chargeback transactions. Review your backup process periodically to ensure it remains effective. Understand the importance of keeping this information secure. Be familiar with how to access your backups in case of disputes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.